Hey kids! Are you ready to learn how to say hello in 10 different languages? It's going to be super fun. Let's get started. First up, in Spanish, you say hola. Can you try that? Hola. Great job. Next, in French, you say bonjour. Let's say it together. Bonjour. Awesome. Now in German, it's hallo. Can you say that with me? Hallo. Fantastic. In Italian, you say ciao. Give it a try. Ciao. Perfect. Over in Japan, they say konnichiwa. Let's say it slowly together. Konnichiwa. Well done. In Chinese, you say ni hao. Can you say it? Ni hao. Wonderful. In Russian, it's privet. Say it with me. Privet. Excellent. In Arabic, you say marhaba. Let's try it. Marhaba. Great. In Hindi, it's namaste. Can you say that? Namaste? Fantastic. And finally, in Portuguese, you say hola. Just like in Spanish. Hola. Amazing. You did an incredible job learning how to say hello in 10 different languages. Give yourself a big high five. Make sure to practice these with your friends and family. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you had fun. And hit the subscribe button for more awesome videos. See you next time. Bye!